Looking at the markets, we can see that the Nasdaq has failed to hold its 100-day moving average. Now, these markers and indicators are key in showing where this thing is going, either above or below the trend line in terms of the whole market here. And now it looks to go down and test this 200 DMA. And this would be the first time since Brexit that this had happened. Now add to that here a 65,000 sell order in the E-mini that was equivalent to roughly $8 billion that sent the S&P 500 tumbling, and it had breached the 200-day moving average. And you can see here, when you look down through the repercussions of what it's done, the Dow Jones also plunging 500 points here. You can see here, U.S. equity indices are now negative for the year. And FANG stocks down, as it says Tesla is collapsing. And you can even see the USD JPY. And 10-year yield all going off a cliff here after this move. So when you have individuals out here, whales, so to speak, that make big dumping moves in the market, it can affect other sectors. And right now, this $8 billion dump here has left a ripple. The Nasdaq failed to hold its ground. And here in another story I want to throw in here real quick, Goldman urging clients to start preparing for the worst. In terms of the stocks and the stock market. Now, what else have we seen out of Goldman? Wasn't it the purchase of Polynex? Is there a shifting of gears massively here that is happening? Very well may be, with the stale market that is heavily manipulated, as I've talked about over and over again. Talked about the housing, the precious metals, the individuals that have been busted and pulled into court and slapped on the wrist and never even went to jail for doing it. Yet the game continues. Anyhow, this is the latest. I'm going to leave some links. I will continue to update as we see more action. This has been Dabu7. Peace.